the donkey farm.
Hi, guys.
Oh, Baron's running along.
I like the fuzzy
Aww.
one. That's Cindy and this is Madison.
Look how pretty.
Oh, they are.
Come on, guys.
Hey.
Hi, baby.
Hey.
That's his clan.
Hey there. Hey.
Not as people think.
You're
She
so
came to you, so
pretty.
that's a big deal.
Yeah.
So
Since you just left
so
that
this
seal?
is Dawn. You just push her out of the way. She wants.
She's already nosing up to me. She thinks I have to.
She'll put her head she'll lay on you. Is what she does. She dominates. And they'll all push everybody around.
You're so pretty.
Big and pregnant.
Here's a pregnant
And the
one.
one at the very end is Soft, and she is the family's favorite. She will die here. We will never ever get rid of her, and she moves the slowest. All right. Simon being
How